Begin tonight with a First Alert 6 investigation. It involves a private school and federal court.
And a large embezzlement uncovered. Mike McKnight tonight on the outrage of parents.
I did bring some of my concerns to the FBI.
A few years ago, two separate parents raised red flags about bookkeeping at Cornerstone Christian School, and a federal filing proves they made more than just an educated guess.
It says that the bookkeeper embezzled, stole, obtained by fraud, and converted approximately $452,176 of the school funds.
A federal court plea agreement doesn't name Cornerstone Christian School, but I know the school fired and sued its former bookkeeper, Joya Kinney, for misappropriating funds. Kinney pleaded guilty in federal court after admitting that from 2016 to 2023, she embezzled more than $452,000 from the school.
Money wasn't credited promptly to our account. It might have been put in the wrong bucket of funds. There's a little bit of vindication in that concerns that I had were not unfounded.
The federal plea agreement states former bookkeeper Joya Kinney used $90,000 in school money for unauthorized Amazon purchases shipped somewhere else. An additional $94,000 from the school's bank account paid charges on Kinney's personal credit card, and there's also evidence of additional money misspent on a vending machine company. In the plea agreement is $190,000 that didn't go to educating the students here at Cornerstone Christian School. Instead, it says it went to the defendant's business account. Michael Knievel says he paid $40,000 in tuition and fundraising for two kids who attended Cornerstone Christian School.
It makes me absolutely upset that while families are, sometimes struggling to make ends meet, she's using the funds that we paid for her own personal benefit.
Angela Lumen says over 6 years she paid $25,000 in tuition.
And to know that it was going to pay off personal debt and other non-legitimate expenses is very frustrating.
The attorney for Joya Kinney tells me that Mrs. Kinney accepts full responsibility for her actions, and he filed a petition to make a good faith payment of $80,000 before federal court sentencing in September, a down payment on full restitution that she promises to pay.
We're called as Christians to forgive, but the sinner is called to repentance. A necessary part of repentance is repayment of the funds.
Though neither parent still has a child enrolled at Cornerstone, they're hopeful school administrators learned a lesson in bookkeeping oversight.
$94,000 for a personal credit card.
In Bellevue, Mike McKnight, First Alert 6.
Mike sent emails to administrators at Cornerstone Christian School and its legal representatives. The school's main lawyer replied that no one would be commenting.